Are you on the hunt for a top-tier television that promises an immersive viewing experience with cutting-edge technology? Look no further than the Sony Bravia 7. This 85-inch behemoth from Sony's 2024 series is packed with features that cater to both cinephiles and gamers alike. But is it the right fit for your home? Let's dive into the details. The Sony Bravia 7 boasts a sleek and modern design with a dark silver finish that seamlessly blends into any living space. Its minimalist bezels ensure that your focus remains on the stunning display, while the sturdy stand provides robust support. The TV's design is not just about aesthetics, it's also practical. The stand has 4 adjustable positions, allowing you to accommodate various furniture setups or even a soundbar beneath the TV. Despite its large size, the Bravia 7 maintains a slim profile, adding a touch of elegance to its powerful presence. Explore the Sony Bravia in detail and consider purchasing through the link in the description for the best deals on Amazon. The Sony Bravia 7 display is its crown jewel. With an expansive 85-inch screen, it utilizes mini LED technology to deliver unparalleled brightness and contrast. The XR backlight master drive precisely controls thousands of mini LEDs, ensuring deep blacks and dazzling highlights. Enhanced by the XR Triluminos Pro, the TV covers an extensive color gamut, making every scene burst with vibrant, lifelike colors. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or an intricate nature documentary, the Bravia 7 ensures a cinematic experience right in your living room. The 120Hz refresh rate and XR motion clarity technology further enhance fast-moving scenes, reducing blur and keeping the action smooth and clear. For more detailed reviews and to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The audio performance of the Sony Bravia 7 complements its stunning visuals. Equipped with the acoustic multi-audio technology, the TV features sound positioning tweeters that create a wider and more immersive soundstage. This ensures that the audio tracks the action on screen, providing a more engaging viewing experience. The support for Dolby Atmos and DTS brings 3-dimensional soundscapes to your living room, making you feel right in the middle of the action. Voice Zoom 3 enhances dialogue clarity, ensuring that you catch every word, even in the most dynamic scenes. Enjoying the review? Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Running on the Google TV platform, the Sony Bravia offers a seamless and intuitive smart TV experience. With access to over 700,000 movies and TV episodes across more than 10,000 apps, you'll never run out of content. The built-in Google Assistant allows for easy voice search and smart home control, making your TV the hub of your entertainment ecosystem. The TV also supports AirPlay 2 and Chromecast, enabling effortless streaming from your devices. For gamers, the Bravia 7 is optimized with exclusive PlayStation 5 features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode, enhancing both the gaming and streaming experiences. Have any thoughts or questions about the Sony Bravia 7? Drop a comment below and join the discussion. When considering a new TV, it's essential to weigh both its strengths and its weaknesses. Let's break down the key points. Cons: limited viewing angles, noticeable blooming in some scenes, only 2 HDMI ports support 4K at 120Hz. Pros: extremely bright display, excellent contrast and deep blacks, accurate colors out of the box, low input lag and fast response time, immersive sound with Dolby Atmos and DTS. The Sony Bravia 7 is a formidable contender in the premium TV market, offering a spectacular viewing and gaming experience with its advanced display and audio technologies. While it has some minor drawbacks, the overall performance and feature set make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and leave a comment. For more information and to purchase the Sony Bravia 7, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next review.